In this video guide, we'll walk through the basic setup of the CyberBrick Timelapse Kit so you can capture smooth, high-quality time lapses of your prints using your own camera. Details related to the required printed parts and CyberBrick Timelapse hardware kit can be found on the Make a World page of the CyberBrick Timelapse Kit. From there, the assembly guide and user guide can be downloaded for details not covered in this video guide. Assembling the kit. First, if necessary, seat the multifunction core board into the time-lapse expansion board with the orientation shown. Be careful to align the pins and avoid bending or damaging them. If the two arrive in the kit already connected, ignore this step. Next, place the multifunction button cover into the front of the board enclosure as shown. Place the time-lapse board into the cover, being mindful of the orientation. Take note, if you plan to use the magnet method for mounting the enclosure in your desired location, fix the magnets into these two slots on the back cover before moving on to the next step. Place the back cover onto the front cover of the enclosure and fix it in place with two of the screws provided with the kit. Take the sliding cover and snap it over the enclosure. It should slide back and forth freely. Finally, for bracket mounting, place some mounting tape into the recession in the bracket. The enclosure should slide into the bracket snugly. Connecting the devices. Connect the appropriate bus cable to the board and mount the enclosure bracket as desired to the printer or a nearby surface. Connect the other end of the cable to an AMS unit or to the printer itself if no AMS units are connected to it. For A1 series printers, you'll connect the 4-pin cable directly to the printer. Now, pair your phone to the time-lapse board via Bluetooth. This process may be slightly different depending on your phone make and model, but pair your phone to the BBL shutter device. Aim your phone at your build plate, plug in the phone's charger, and leave the phone's camera app open. It can be helpful to momentarily place an object on the build plate and then make sure the print will be well lit for the time-lapse. Starting the print. Finally, from Bambu Studio, open a printing project and under Print Settings, go to Others and change the time-lapse setting to Smooth. Then, when starting the print, make sure the time-lapse option is toggled to On before sending the print to the printer.